Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to link PlayStation 5 account to share games. Let's go. Switch user, add user. Get started. Log in to the second account. Open Settings, User and Accounts, Other, Console Sharing and Offline Play, Enable. This option must be enabled. Do the same with the second account. You need to enable console sharing on both accounts. You must also be logged in to both accounts. You need to install the game from the accounts where it was purchased. After installation, you can switch to your account. That's it. Now you know how to link PlayStation 5 accounts to share games. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.